Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Aries. In this video, I did some gel nails for Easter, and this is only my third time doing my own gel nails, but I think I'm starting to get the hang of it. So I start off picking my nail sizes, of course. So after I pick out the sizes, I file the nails down a little bit on the side so that they'll fit my nails perfectly. I don't want them too big because they'll be laying on my skin, and I don't want them too small because they're more likely to pop right off. And everything that I'm using is going to be from Amazon. It's mostly going to be the Beetles nail kit stuff, and I'll have everything linked in the description box. So after that, I'm gonna use this pointy oval shaped piece on the nail drill to buff the insides of the nails to help the glue stick better. And after that, I use a nail primer on the inside as well. Okay, after I prep the fake nails, I add a dehydrator to my real nails to get rid of any oils or dust. And I already filed my nails and cut the cuticles and all that, but I didn't record that because I really don't know what I'm doing when it comes to cuticle care. I'm pretty sure I don't do it right. So after that, I put some of that same primer on my nails, and then I'm gonna take the Beetles nail glue and add one layer of that and then cure it under the UV light for about 30 seconds. It's crazy because the first couple of times I tried these gel nails, they would pop off within a couple of hours. And I'm like, okay, I'm following all the directions on the box. Why is this happening? So I look at other people's videos and they're doing all these extra steps. So I started doing all this extra stuff now, and I really think my nails could last a good month. But of course, I get bored after 2 weeks and I want to change the design. Alright, so after the glue is cured, it's time to put on the nails. First, I put a thin layer of glue on the inside of the nail, and then I take a little more and make like a little pool of glue right at the base. And I'm gonna apply the nail, slowly pushing down. and cure under this little UV light for like 15 seconds. And when I get all the nails on this hand done, I'll cure it under the bigger light for about another 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna cut and file the nails down to my liking so that I can function. And then I'm gonna add another small nail drill piece and go around the edge of the nails to take off any glue that might have seeped out through the edges. All right, so now it's time to paint the nails, which is my favorite part. So I'm just gonna do 3 layers of this new color, and this is the Beetles gel polish. And when I finish the whole hand, I cure it with the bigger light between each layer. For the design, I went with the pink, blue, and yellow since it's springtime and Easter is coming up. I didn't use that white color, so disregard that. So starting with the blue, I just did a diagonal line on each side of the nail, and I filled it in to make like a pointy French tip kind of thing. And I did that same thing on all the nails. So I did blue on the pinky and thumb, and pink on the pointer and ring finger, and then yellow on the middle finger. And at the last minute, I don't know why, but I decided to wing it and add some blue lines and yellow dots on the ring finger. Okay, y'all, the last step is this top coat. I do one layer of this and cure it under the big UV light for 30 seconds. And I added some cuticle oil at the end, and I absolutely love my nails. I've already gotten a lot of compliments on them, especially at work. I think they're perfect for this season, and I'm gonna try to keep these till the end of April. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want, and I'll see y'all in my next video.